Come test drive the 2025 Maverick. The Ford Maverick is a rear-wheel drive compact car styled with a long hood, fastback roof, and short deck for a sleek, curvaceous design. Its muscle car-themed trim package includes a distinct hood and spacious interior. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.